Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of You Are What You Eat. So, we all have different taste buds, different likes and dislikes, different preferences. But one thing for sure we need to keep check on, our health is not compromising at all. Similarly, in the case of today's topic, raw vegetables or cooked vegetables. So, let's get right into the video after this short intro. There isn't a single best way to eat vegetables, either cooked or boiled, as both offer nutritional benefits. Cooking certain vegetables can make their nutrients more readily available for absorption, while others may be more nutritious raw. Boiling can lead to some nutrient loss, especially water soluble vitamins, but steaming or microwaving can help preserve more nutrients. Okay, so let's discuss cooking can have benefits. Number 1. Increased nutrient availability. Cooking can break down cell walls in some vegetables, releasing more antioxidants and minerals. Number 2. Improved absorption. For example, cooking carrots increases the bioavailability of beta carotene, which the body converts to vitamin A. Third, safer consumption. Cooking can reduce the risk of bacteria or contaminants. Okay, now move on to boiling can have downside. Number 1. Nutrient loss. Boiling can leach water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin B into the cooking water, potentially reducing their content. And number 2 is mineral loss. Boiling can also reduce certain minerals like potassium, magnesium, and zinc. Okay, let's discuss the better options. Steaming and microwaving. Number 1. Preserve nutrients. Steaming and microwaving can help retain more nutrients compared to boiling. And number 2. Faster cooking. They are also generally faster than boiling, which can further reduce nutrient loss. Now the question arises, are boiled vegetables still healthy? Boiled green vegetables still retain 55% of their vitamin C content and 60% of their folate content. Another question arises, is it good to eat only boiled vegetables? Boiled vegetables are high in fiber, which keeps you fuller for longer, reducing the number of calories you consume overall. Reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Consuming boiled vegetables on a regular basis can help to lower the risk of chronic disorders such as heart diseases, diabetes, and certain types of cancers. So now take the turn of debate towards healthiest way to cook vegetables. Steaming veggies can preserve nutrients, color, shape, and texture without having to add any unnecessary fats through ingredients like oils or butter. To steam, place food into a steam basket and cover over simmering water. Since food is not directly touching the water, vegetables retain more of their nutrients. So another question, can we eat veggies without cooking? Eating raw vegetables give you the most enzymes, vitamins and minerals needed for good health. So what are the considerations for vegetables? So variety is key. Incorporating both raw and cooked vegetables into your diet is beneficial. Number 2, consider the vegetable. Some vegetables are better eaten raw, like broccoli, bell peppers, and while other benefits from cooking, like carrots and spinach. And number 3 is choose cooking methods wisely. Steaming or microwaving are often preferable to boiling or for preserving nutrients. Last but not the least, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different cooking methods and see what you enjoy most. That's all for today. If you like the video, give thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share and hit the bell icon for latest update. I'll catch you again. Thank you for watching.